Hi there my idols, hope you're doing fine. Our topic for today is I am going to teach you how you can verify your Google Adsense without PIN. I know some of you is struggling and experiencing that they request a PIN but it doesn't arrive. But before I will teach you how you can verify your Google AdSense without PIN, please subscribe to my channel and please support my channel. I know some of you also wondering why I am speaking English right now, because I read some comments from one of my video that they cannot understand what I am talking about, what I am trying to explain. Because you know, when you are making content here in YouTube, the whole world can watch it. So not all of your viewers is Filipino like me, Filipino like you. So yeah, now I decided to make English video so whole world can understand what I am trying to explain. So that's it. Let's start. Now I'm going to teach you how you can verify your Google AdSense without PIN. Just keep on watching if you really need this video. Let's go. You will immediately receive this kind of message after you follow what I am going to do in this tutorial video, and then I will advise you idol to request PIN every 21 days till you reach the maximum attempt of requesting PIN. So let's start. First of all, go to your Google AdSense account. From verify your billing address, you will see the three dots from the right corner upside here. Click these three dots and then click help. Click help. After you click help, this will appear to your screen. I will make this video tutorial a little bit slow so you can follow properly, right? So scroll up. Scroll up. This is what you can see from your screen, but we will have to scroll up till we reach and see this PIN troubleshooter. Click this PIN troubleshooter. After you click this, you will see again a different outlook. Here you will see this personal identification number PIN troubleshooter. Scroll up again. First question, are you earning greater than $10 verification threshold? Click yes. And then the second question is, scroll up again. I will make this slow idol so you can follow. Scroll up. The second question is, have you received your PIN? Of course, no. Click no. After that, scroll up again. And then the third question is, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Click yes. After that, this will appear, this message. And then click this contact us. After you click the contact us, this will appear again to your screen. This. Ta-ding! This one, personal identification number. You have to fill up your name and then your contact email address, and then your AdSense publisher ID, and then you have to choose file. I advise here to choose file that is government ID, something like that, but make sure that this is clear and visible. And then after that, click submit. After you click submit, you will receive this message. Thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. Your PIN has been verified. That's it, idols. Reminder, idol, you have to reach the maximum attempt of requesting PIN before you can do this troubleshooting and manual verification of Google AdSense. Hopefully this video could help with your Google AdSense, and thanks for watching to this video. Please support to my channel, to my videos that I am uploading, and then to all of you that is watching right now, please click the like and then subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye bye.